Welcome students to online classes of mathematics for class 8th. In this video we are studying the chapter number 2, which is a linear equation in one variable. In this video we will cover the exercise 2.3 of NCERT textbook. This is our session number 3 for this particular chapter. Myself Deepak Gautam, TGT Mathematics in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. So let's begin with the today's session. So topic that we have today is linear equation is one variable. This chapter is divided into total 7 topics, out of which we have covered the first 2 topics in the first session and the third topic, which is some application, in the second session. Now in this third one we will cover the solving equation having the variable on the both sides. So we'll solve the equation which will have variable terms on the both side of the equality sign. Okay, so let's do some example first. So this is a chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable, and we are doing solving equation having variables on both side. Okay, so based on this we have example, which is example number 2. It is solve 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 2. The equation that we have here is 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 2. So in order to solve this, what we're going to do is we'll shift all the variable term on the one side of the equality sign and the non-variable term onto the other side of equality sign. So this 2x is already here, keeping it here. This x will be shifted to this side, so this plus x will become minus x equals to, here we already have plus 2, and this minus 3 will become, this minus 3 will become plus 3. So this x, 2x minus x is x, and this 2 plus 3 is 5. So the solution of this equation is x equals to 5. That means for the value of x, both sides of the equation will be equal. Okay, moving ahead to the next example, we have example number 13. It says solve 5x plus 7 by 2 equals to 3 by 2x minus 14. This is example number 13. Equation that we have here is 5x plus 7 by 2 equals to 3 by 2x minus 14. Again we'll do the same thing, keeping the variable term on the left hand side and the non-variable term will shift them to the right hand side. Okay, so on the left hand side we already have 5x. This plus 3 by 2x, when you shift it to the left hand side, will become minus 3 by 2x equals to, on the right hand side we have already minus 14, and this plus 7 by 2 will become minus 7 by 2 when you shift it to the right hand side. Okay, now we have 5x minus x by 2. We assume 1 here and take the LCM of 1 and 2, and its LCM will be 2. So in order to make 2 here, we have to multiply 2 here and here. So this will become a common base 2. On this side 2 into 5 will become 10x minus, since here is already 2, so it will be written as it is, that is 3x equals to, similarly assuming 1 here, take the LCM of 1 and 2, which will be 2. So now in order to make 2 here, we have to multiply 2 here and also 2 in the numerator. So this will become 2 with the common base of the both numbers, and here will be a minus 28 and minus 7, because here is already 2, so we don't need to multiply anything here. So this will be now 10x minus 3x is equals to 7x by 2 equals to minus 28, and minus 7 will become minus 35 by 2. Okay, now the x will be minus 35 by 2. This 7 by 2, when you shift it to the other side, will become 2 by 7, because now the number will be reversed. So when you solve this 2 will be cancelled out. Similarly also this 7 will give us 5 here. So the answer will be x equals to minus 5. That's the solution of this equation. Okay, that's how we solve the equation which is on the both side of the equality sign. Based on this concept, we have exercise 2.3. This exercise 2.3 have total 10 questions. Question is, solve the following equation. First we have to solve the following equation. That means we have to find the value of x and then check your result. Here we have to also check the result. I will tell you how we'll check the results. So let's see first question. Equation here we have 3x equals to 2x plus 18. Okay, like I said, we'll shift the variable term on the one side and non-variable on the other side. So on the left hand side we already have 3x, and this 2x will be shifted to the left hand side, so it will become minus 2x equals to 18. So this 3x minus 2x will be x equals to 18. Okay, so we got the value of x, which is 18. Now we have to solve this, or we have to check this if x is the correct answer. Okay, let's check now. To check this, what we're gonna do is we'll check it if the left hand side term is equal to right hand side term. Okay, first we'll take the left hand side term, which is 3x. That means 3 into x here is 18. 18 into 3 is 54. Okay, and the right hand side term we have 2x plus 18. So 2 into 18 plus 18. 2 into 18 is 36 plus 18 is 54. Both terms are equal. That means this answer is correct. That's how we solve this equation and check the answer. Next one is, we have 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. We have 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. 3t minus 5. So again we'll do the same thing, shifting the variable term on the left hand side and non-variable term onto the right hand side. So this plus 3 will become minus 3 here. On the other side we have minus 5 already, and this minus 3 will become plus 3 here. Okay, this 5t minus 3t, that is 5 minus 3 is 2t equals to this minus 5 and plus 3. Plus minus will be minus, and so the result will be minus 2, or t will be equals to minus 2 divided by 2, or equals to 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, so the answer for this equation is 2 by minus 2 by 2, and minus 2 by 2 is equals to minus 1. Now let's check the answer. First take the left hand side term. Left hand side term is 5t minus 3. 5t, that means at the place of t we'll write the value of t, that is minus 1 minus 3. So this 5 minus into minus 1 will be minus 5, and minus 3 it will be minus 8. Then we have 3t minus 5. 3t minus 5. Now again put the value of t. 3 minus 1 minus 5. This 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, and this will minus 5 equals to minus 8. Now you can see both side terms are equal. That means answer is correct. Okay, let's come to the next question now. Next one we have 5x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x. We have answer number 3, 5x plus 9 and 5 plus 3 x. So So that's our equation. Now for the question number 3. So again we'll do the same process, keeping the variable term on the one side and non-variable term onto the other side. So here we have 5x, and this plus 3 will become minus 3 here, and equals to, here already have a 5, and this plus 9 will become minus 9. So this 5x minus 3x will gives us 2x, and the plus 5 minus 9 will result into minus 4, or x will be equals to minus 4 by 2, or answer will be x equals to minus 2. Now again let's check the answer. Left hand side term, we have 5x plus 9, 5 into minus 2 plus 9, 5 into minus 2 is minus 10, plus 9 will result into minus 1. On the other side we have 5 plus 3x, so we have 5 plus 3 into x, we have 5 here, this 2 into 3 will result into minus 6, result is again minus 1. So as you can see, both side terms are equal, so the result is correct. X is equals to minus 2. That's how we solve this equation and then check the answer. Moving ahead, now we have equation of question number 4, which is 4z plus 3 equals to 6 plus 2z. 4z plus 3, 6 plus 2z. So again doing the same thing, this keeping this 4z onto the left hand side, this plus 2z will become minus 2z, equals to this plus 6 on right hand side, and then this minus plus 3 will become minus 3. 4z minus 2z will result into 2z, equals to 6 minus 3 is 3, so the z will be equals to 3 by 2. So the z is equals to 3 by 2. Again you can check the answer. I leave that part to you. You will put the value of z on the both side and check the answer if left hand side term is equals to right hand side term. Okay, you will do that part by yourself. Let's see the next question. Next equation is 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus x. Again keeping this 2x on the left hand side, this minus t will become plus, minus x will become plus x. On the right hand side we have plus 14, and this minus 1 will become plus 1. So 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 1 is 3x, and the 14 plus 1 is 15. X equals to 15 divided by 3, or equals to 5. Okay, again you can check the answer by putting the value of x on the both side if the both left hand side term and right hand side are equal. So you will check that by yourself. Okay, like we did in the first 3 parts for checking the answer. So that's the solution of equation 4 and 5. Now let's see the question number 6. Equation number 6 is, we have 8x plus 4 equals to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Okay, so first thing is we will open this bracket. Okay, so we have 8x plus 4 equals to this 3 into x is 3x, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, and then we have plus 7. So it will be 8x plus 4 equals to 3x, and this minus 3 plus 7 will be gives us plus 4. Okay, or x is equals to 8x, this plus 3 will become minus 3 here, and here we have plus 4, this plus 4 will become minus 4. So 8 minus 3 is 5x equals to 0, or x is equals to 0 by 5 is equals to 0. Okay, that's the answer of the question number 6. Here the value of x is 0. Okay, now you can solve, or we have solved this. You can check the answer by putting the value of x on the both side of this equation. You will find the required result. Okay, moving ahead to the next question. Again, I'm leaving this because you have to check the answer by yourself now for all the remaining questions. Okay, you will check the answer for all the remaining questions. I will give you the solution of the equation and you will check the answer by yourself. Okay, answer number 7. We have x equals to 4 by 5 multiplied to x plus 10. Okay, we have x on the left hand side. We'll multiply this 4 by 5 into this bracket. So first term will be 4x by 5 plus next will be 4 by 5 into 10 will give us this 10 will be divided by this 5, will give us 2. This 2 into 4 will be 8, or x minus 4x by 5 will be equals to 8. When you shift this to this side, will become minus. So assuming 1 here, we'll take the LCM. Common denominator will be 5, so it will be 5x minus 4x equals to 8, or x by 5 is equals to 8, and hence x is equals to 40. 5 into 8 is 40. This number will be multiplied here. Moving ahead to the next question, we have question number 8. So you will write the answer number 8. Equation is 2x by 3 plus 1 equals to 7x by 15 plus 3. Okay, we'll do the same thing, keeping the variable term on the one side and non-variable term onto the other side. So this we have 3, and that plus 1 will become minus 1. So LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. So in order to make 15 here, we need to multiply 5 here. So we'll also multiply 5 in the numerator. So this equation will become with a common denominator 15, 10x minus 7x equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. So this will be 10 minus 7 is 3x by 15 equals to 2, or x will be equals to 2 in multiply by 15 by 3. This 3 will give us 5 here. So 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, so the answer of this equation is x equals to 10. Okay, again I'm leaving it here. Like I said, you have to check the answer by yourself, like we did in the first 3 part. Okay, I'm not going to check the answer. What you have to do is you have to put this value of x in both sides of the equation and check if the left hand side term is equals to right hand side. If so, then means your answer is correct. Otherwise, your answer is not correct. So the next question is 9. We have equation 2y plus 5 by 3 equals to 26 by 3 minus y. Okay, so keeping this 2y here, this minus y will become plus y equals to, we have 26 by 3, this plus 5 by 3 will become minus 5 by 3. This 2y plus y will become 3y, and this we have common denominator 3, and this will be 26 minus 5. 26 minus 5 is 21 by 5, and 21 by, sorry, not 5, 321 by 3 is equals to 7. So x is equals to 7 by 3. That's our answer for this equation. Again, like I said, you will check the answer by yourself here. by putting this value on the both side and check if the left hand side term and the right hand side term are equal. Coming to the last question of this exercise, we have answer number 10. Equation is 3m is equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. Now you can see the bigger term is on the right hand side, so let's keep this term here. We'll shift this plus 3 onto the left hand side, so right hand side will be minus 3m, and this minus 8 by 5 will become plus 8 by 5 when you shift it to the left hand side. So 8 by 5 is equals to 5m minus 3m is equals to 2m, or m is equals to 8 by 5. This 2 is here in multiplication, so it will become in division. So this 2 will give us 4 here. So m is equals to 4 by 5. That's the answer of this equation. So let's check this one. Let's check the answer. We have left hand side term, which is 3m. 3 into m is 4 by 5, so answer is 12 by 5. At right hand side term, we have 5m minus 8 by 5. 5m is 4 by 5. Then we have minus 8 by 5. So these two 5 will be cancelled out, so what remains here is 4 minus 8 by 5. When you solve this, you will get 12 by 5. So as you can see, both side terms are equal, hence the answer is correct. So that's the solution of all the question of exercise 2.3. What you have to do is now you have to revise all the question at least 2-3 times, so that you will be fluent in solving this, and you will take down the notes. Okay, that's all for this session. Thanks for joining here. Thank you.